my God. So for real though, I got a list of stuff that we're gonna definitely do on this bike. I got a list of stuff that we might do on this bike, but regardless of all that stuff, the first thing that needs to happen just for maintenance and buying a, God, how many years old is this bike? It's 2019, fucking 2002. This bike's 16 years old. We have no idea of the maintenance history. Given the state that most of these parts and aesthetically that this is in, I'm going to guess that this thing has not had a lot of time put on it. It really doesn't look like it has. We have really no idea what the maintenance has been on this bike. We have to assume that it's been bad. So in that, what I would like to do is tear it all the way down. We're going to tear this thing all the way down. We're going to tear into the engine, the top, the bottom. We're going to inspect things. With this being said, if it looks to be serviceable, I'm not going to replace it just for the sake of spending money. If it's a bearing and it's good, it stays. As far as the bottom end bearings and stuff like that, we'll have to just play that by ear and see what it looks like when we get in there. If it looks all chunky and gross, we'll probably replace all those bearings. I just trying to not spend $800 here and there and everywhere to the point where I could have bought a YZ250X. Again, this is an organic project. Things could change. It could turn into a $20,000 bike before we're done. It won't. Wife, Anna, it won't happen. Don't worry, I'm kidding. So that being said, let's get this thing torn down. Thing's in pretty good shape, to be honest with you. A couple little dents and some rust down here, but I think we're gonna be all right. All right, so long. We're getting a new clutch cable. This is the hardest clutch I've ever pulled in my life. So we're gonna replace this thing anyway. Oh, this is stripped real nice. Thanks, guys. For sure, clean your stuff. Anyway, guys, got this casual lean going on here. What do you think of that? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, follow along to this build. That'd be great. I'd love feedback, comments, ideas, things you'd like to see, whatever. Just lay it on me. And if money permits and you're not crazy, we'll give it a shot. What's next? I guess cleaning things. I got a lot of cleaning to do. Definitely excited about that. And we'll see you in the next video.